Hello dear students, how are you? Students, you are most welcome. In this next video, this is the video series of chapter number 5. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the incomplete dominance. What is incomplete dominance? I have told you in earlier video that there are some exceptions of monogenic inheritance. So this is the exception of law of dominance that Mendel have explained. In law of dominance, Mendel told that if the two pure parent they will cross, then in F1 generation only the trait of one parent is expressed and another one is hidden. So the one parent which is expressing the trait, this is known as what? Dominant parent, and the parent of which trait is hidden, this is known as the recessive parent. Okay, but in law of incomplete dominance or incomplete dominance, this is not satisfying. Okay, or this is not happen. So this law or this incomplete dominance was given by the Karl Korrens. This is Karl Korrens. Okay, so Karl Korrens was the scientist who given this law of incomplete dominance. Okay, Mendel have performed the cross on pea plants, so that is why all the concepts Mendel have explained, these are satisfying with law of dominance, because he performed the cross only pea plant. But if we will perform the cross, same cross on another plants, then the concepts of Mendel or the concept of law of dominance, it is not satisfying. Okay, so that is why Karl Korrens made the cross to prove that in other plants or in all plants the Mendel have given law of dominance. This is not proved in other plants. Okay, so Karl Korrens made the cross between two parent of a plant. This is known as snapdragon. Snapdragon. So snapdragon, it is the plant. It is also known as what? Dog flower. Dog flower. Okay, so snapdragon or dog flower and one another plant, this is the Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa. So this is another plant, Mirabilis jalapa. If anybody will perform the cross between two plants of snapdragon which have the flower color, so character is flower color. So what are two color he has taken? What? One is red and one is white. Okay, so this is male parent and this is female parent. So red color, this is P1 generation. Red color of flower, it is exhibiting by the allelic combination. This is what? Capital R, capital R. Here this is small r, small. This is the allelic combination of red color flower plant, and this is the allelic combination of white color flower plant. Okay, here if we will make the gamete, capital R, these are the gamete. Here small r, small r. Okay, if we will make the cross in F1 generation, we will found that this is the allelic combination, capital R, small r. So it should be what? It should be the red one. Here neither red nor white color is appeared. This is the combination of two. This is the combination of two. What? Pink color or pink flower plant are appeared. Okay, in F1 generation. So that is why it is not satisfying the law of dominance in snapdragon flower, or this is dog flower. Got it? And dear students, here if we will make the cross to satisfy to till F2 generation, because in the law of dominance we have performed the cross till F2 generation, so we will also perform the cross till F2 generation. So we will make the self cross between F1 member. So here what will happen? That gametes are like this: capital R, small r, capital R, small r. These are two gamete. The probability of first one, this is capital R, okay, and the second probability of male gamete with female gamete, this is the male and this is the female. Here this is the male and female, okay. So capital R, small r, the combination of these two, capital R, small r, and here small r, small r. Dear students, you are looking just like law of dominance. Also we are getting here one capital R, two capital R, second R, capital R, small r, and last one like this, small r. Dear students, here these are combinations like this, okay, and like this. So this is the combination of capital R. It is exhibiting, or the phenotypically it will show the trait of red. So this is the red flower, and these two, capital R, small r, this is the hybrid, these are the hybrid. So these hybrid will show what? Pink flower. And next one, what? This is small r, it will show white flower. So here, dear students, you are looking, it is phenotypically red flower. These are two phenotypically pink flower, and this is phenotypically white flower. So phenotypically, if we will make the ratio, phenotypic ratio, phenotype or phenotypic ratio, so it will show that 1:2:1. Why? Because 1 red, 2 pink, 1 white. Phenotypically we will observe, then it will show 1 red, 2 pink, 1 white. That is why phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. And what is genotypic ratio? Genotypic ratio. So genotypic ratio, here you are looking, what is genotype? Capital R, combination of allele, one combination, capital R. Second combination is showing in two plants, capital R, small r. Second combination, third combination is small r. That is why genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. Dear students, this is surprising for the queries, that if we will perform the cross between two pure parent of a snapdragon on the basis of character flower color, okay, so he has taken one red flower color plant and second one is white flower color plant. So this is male and female. He made the cross between these two. In F1 generation, pink color is appeared. So that is why complete dominance, it is the exception of law of dominance. What is law of dominance of Mendel? So it is very, very important. Many times it is asked in your exam. And one important thing I want to tell you, that the question is not asked simply, just like excellent incomplete dominance. Question is asked that which type of inheritance is shown by the dog flower. Got it? So dog flower shows the inheritance incomplete dominance. Got it? And also this plant Mirabilis jalapa is known as the 4 o'clock plant. 4 o'clock plant. Okay? And the scientific name of snapdragon is Antirrhinum majus. Antirrhinum majus. Okay? So Antirrhinum majus. So any type of question can be asked, that which type of genetic inheritance is showing in 4 o'clock plant, in Antirrhinum majus, in dog flower, in Mirabilis jalapa. Got it? And also question is asked like this, the phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same in which type of inheritance. Got it? So that is why number of questions are formed from this topic. So it is very, very important, dear students. Be concentrated on it and practice more and more. It is very, very easy. In plants, it is showing incomplete dominance. So the question is arising in your mind that in animals also like happen. So in animals also happen like this. In animals also, dear students, you know, if Andalusian fall, it the fall, or we can say it is the chicken, black and white. So black and white, this is the combination of Andalusian fall. Black and white, these are not important fall, but when we made the cross between these two, then new variety is formed. What new variety is? The bluish color. The bluish variety, just like here, the combination of red and white is pink. So just like white and black fall, white and black chicken is, the combination will form blue. Suppose this is the Andalusian fall. Okay, Andalusian fall, there are two type of fall, black and white. So these are the contrasting trait. What is the character of these two? The skin of the color of feathers, or the color of fall, the color of body, we can say this is the character. So these are two contrasting trait. So black parent, this is suppose male and this is female, we are representing it. This is FP1 generation. So the allelic combination is capital B, and we are showing like this, small b, okay. So we will make the cross of these two, it will show capital B, small b. It is neither black nor white. So what type of color is appearing in F1 generation? In F1 generation it is blue, okay. And blue variety of the fall, it is very good in meat, very good in bait. So that is why these are neither good in egg, nor good in meat. But this one blue is good in all the aspects. That is why blue is very important. So, but black and white, this is not important. So the poultry farmer, they keep only blue, and they destroy black and white. For once they will use black and white, and again they will cross blue, okay. So here if we will cross the blue one, then we will get that what? Capital B, and this one like this, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, small b, small b. So these are the black and white. So these are destroyed in each generation, and they keep only what? They keep only this one combination. This is of blue, okay. So this is also is showing what? Incomplete dominance in Andalusian fall. Dear students, now let's discuss how this dominance occurs. You know, we have discussed about the incomplete dominance in Snapdragon and Mirabilis Jalapa, and this incomplete dominance was given by Correns. Here let's discuss about how dominance appears, or practically how it happens. Why one allele is dominant and one recessive? What is the reason? Okay, let's discuss here. Dear students, you know, if suppose any type of enzyme, suppose this is the gene, and this gene A, this is controlling the secretion of enzyme or formation of enzyme. So this gene A is forming a enzyme, this is known as Z, okay. So enzyme Z is formed by the gene A. You know, gene A has two alleles, so we are discussing it, that one allele A, and these made the combination that like A and A. So this is like this, and A, and also like this. Got it? So these are two allele, capital A and small a of this gene. So how these alleles are working different, but it is the form of single gene. How can it be possible that a single gene, it may express diversely? Okay, suppose this is the sequence of suppose this is the DNA sequence of this gene we are drawing here. This is the DNA sequence of this gene A. Suppose in this gene nucleotides are present. How many nucleotides are present? Sequence present in A, G, T, C. A, G, T, C and C, A, G, T, C. This is the sequence of DNA which is making this gene A. Got it? Here if little bit change occurs, suppose here it occurs like this, so the change is happen in this gene, but gene is A, but it will express in defected manner. Okay, so it defect is happen in this gene because the sequence is changed, little bit change, the mutation occurs in this DNA chain. So that is why this gene A, it is not expressing as earlier healthy gene. So it is expressing in two manner. First sequence, this one is first sequence, suppose this one is first sequence, and the modified sequence A, G and C, C. Okay, so this is gene, one gene only, but it expressing in two manner. So like this one is healthy A, we are representing it, and this one is unhealthy or modified, so it is representing by a small a. Got it? So the combination of two allele, because any living organism we are observing, mainly human and any type of animal, plants, so mostly animals and plants are diploid. So diploid in nature, that is why the two set of chromosome, in one set this allele is present, in another set this allele is present. So that is why these two combination may happen like this. Maybe both the sequences present on two homologous chromosome, or in two set both the sequences may similar like this, and like this dissimilar, capital A small a. So this is another combination, and like this both are defected. Okay, here. So in this one, this is efficient enzyme, efficient enzyme. So if this gene will expressed in this manner, then it is efficient and healthy gene that is working very nicely. But here this working but intermediate, this is the intermediate form, so that is why this is working intermediately, because here this is the defective form and this is the healthy form, this is dominant on this one. So due to this, the enzyme is secreting, but it is less effective. Here this is less effective, got it? So that is why by this we are being able to, I think you are being able to understand that how the dominance and recessiveness is present in any type of gene. Okay, so here the defective, both are the defective form, so the enzyme it will form, but it is totally defective. So this is the less effective form of enzyme. This is the effective. So here we can use the term more effective, and less effective. Okay, this is the good, I think so. So here more effective or more efficient, here efficient, and here less efficient. Got it? So these are the three combination of gene A. So that is why I am telling you that how the dominancy is found in particular form of gene. Okay, and recessiveness and dominance it present. Got it? So this is all about incomplete dominance. So I think, dear students, you are getting well. It's enough for this video. If any type of question in your mind, any doubt, you can ask me on personal WhatsApp number. And if you are liking the video, comment it. Or if still you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching.